let's begin. Windows, printer not working issue. So we're gonna just dive right in, go to search and type in control panel. And then we click on control panel, and then we will click on start and right click. And there's no shortcut for control panel, but you can go into systems and then Bluetooth and devices, and then you'll see the printer settings. And even with going to control panel, it'll take you to printers and devices, and now it's just called Bluetooth and devices. So you can see a range of devices that is connected. This is just the default that it comes with the sandbox. So things you must know before you start troubleshooting is the printer on, USB cable secure, is the Wi-Fi connected, LAN cable, have you restarted the PC, have you restarted the printer. Then once you've done those steps, ensure that that you have those that printer set as the default, which you will find out if the printer is offline or online. That's one of the things that you need to make sure that the printer is working correctly. I'm not able to set this printer as a default because these are just printer PDF or just digital printers, as you can say, virtual printers at this point. So you can always see or check if the printer is in use or offline, or print is paused printing. These are some of the common ways to fix it. The other thing is all printers come with drivers, so you can always look up those on the website of the manufacturer, and you'll be able to do so. In case you just want to go into the settings, you can just go into settings and just search printer and then press enter, and you'll be able to get into the Bluetooth and printer and devices settings. So the other thing is we will just look at, as I was saying, you can find all the drivers on the website of the printer. You just need to know the model of the printer. Make sure you get the whole installer, the full installer. Usually it says something like a full installer. It will state the other stuff. So we're just going into the PDF printer, and then with the PDF printer, we have to ensure that the printer is you can't check if it's set to default or set it to default on this sandbox, since we don't have an actual printer. And at this point, you check the print properties. In here, you'll be able to see the printer name, as well as you can go into and click on print test page, which will give you the option to, on a physical printer, and it will actually try to print. If the printer is connected and working fine, you'll be able to see a test page show up. In ports, you'll see the IP address or how the printer is connected. In advanced, you'll be able to see the driver. So in this case, this is not an actual printer. It's just a virtual printer that helps you to print files to PDF by Microsoft. So that's kind of one of the things that's been you can do. You can add a new printer from there, or you could just go into the website and set up the printer itself. Usually the printer would be able to be found by the manufacturer's drivers, like the software will be able to find the printers as long as it's on the network or connected physically. You'll be able to find the printer, as well as other things. If you don't have the correct drivers, there would be some issues while printing, and that's one of the things. So had the sandbox crashed on me at the moment, so just going back into the settings and back in, and you can always remove a printer, but this is virtual printer, so the facts couldn't be removed, but you can add a printer manually, or if it's connected, it would pop up in the list. If it isn't in the list, you can definitely install it. I would suggest the easy option would be to just go to the printer driver, get the printer driver, the full driver from the website, which has the full package of all the features of the printer, and those tools are usually softwares are able to find the driver. So we've just gone into this services and then find printer spoolers, so you can just stop and restart the service. Usually this is one of the common issues that used to happen with Windows 7 to Windows 8, even Windows 10. Haven't seen a lot of issues with this on Windows 11 at the moment, but there are still issues depending on how much users use the printers, and there's usually some kind of issues. So these were the common issues that used to happen if you get called in to fix a printer issue. Yeah, some other things that you need to check out is the print queue. Make sure you clear the dock. Sometimes it's just stuck at the print queue and there's files that would be stuck there, so ensure that you remove the file that's giving an error, cancel all documents, restart the printer, and then yeah, you can try the printer spooler again as well. You can always, so here you can see there's nothing in queue. This is not actually a physical printer, so this is one of the things that can be done and should be used to do. So this is just checking if the printer is paused or something like that. So in this case it's the fax, which virtual fax, which is idle, didn't do anything at the moment. And basically those are some of the things that you can check. Just checking out the settings and stuff, which caused the machine to be hanged. But anyway, but we've done with most of what we need to inform you. So hope you enjoyed this. If you have any issues, you can definitely look into this or look me up or anything like that. So thank you for watching.